Alright, let me tell you what we got going on here. Easter's coming up. Thought I'd show you a little bit of versatility with the canteen cups. And we're going to make Easter dinner. That's right, we're going to make a whole holiday meal with canteen cups and canteen cup accessories. Let me show you what we're going to have going on here. We're going to grill a ham steak. We're going to do Robert Irvine's Golden Cadillac macaroni and cheese. We're going to do some roasted asparagus, some dill carrots, and this week special, the $2 cook cup for you budget backpackers. We're going to do some deviled eggs. The big question is, can I do this in an hour? 'Cause that's about how much daylight I have. Taking some of those really cheap little sandwich baggies, put some of my ingredients in them, tie them off, and bring them to camp. Makes it easy to tote them, easy and compact to carry out the trash. I'm gonna throw my butter in my pot so we can start making the roux while the macaroni cooks. I got a lot going on today. Kind of exciting. We're going to see how this works. We're going to add some salt to the water. Can't season the macaroni once it's done cooking. Go ahead and get the carrots cooking. Just enough water to cover them. For my asparagus at home, I've thrown a little olive oil, salt and pepper. I have some tomatoes I need to use up, so I'm going to throw them in there too. Show you what I did here. Alright, for this asparagus, I'm going to roast it. I took some clothes hanger and I just made myself a little lock to hold this lid on. Alright, so the idea is that'll hold that sturdy. Shake my asparagus down flat there. And we're just going to let it start roasting. Just like so. The idea there is we'll get a little oven action going. Brought down some ice in a little thermos. Ice water bath. Get these guys cooled off. Alright, see how it's nice and toasty looking? I'm gonna get some cheese going in there now. Guys, just see that? I just spilled my roux. I don't have anything down here to do that again. Daggone it. Alright, there's a touch of roux in the bottom. I mixed the macaroni up with some cheese. Top this guy off. We're going to just keep on moving forward. Man, I'm mad. I'm going to have to redo this one day for you. Got some little cheddar goldfish crackers. Smash them up. Top off our macaroni and cheese bake. Took a pan. I slit the edge. I folded these in on a 90. Gave these a little fold. And what I hope is we've got a little Reflectix oven to bake that macaroni in. I don't know how it's going to work. We'll see. So we're just going to let that guy hang out while we finish cooking. I don't know what kind of macaroni and cheese we're going to end up with, but we'll have something. We'll have cheese and noodles. Daggone it. Outside of my Canteen Cup here, I'm reading about 160 degrees roasting that asparagus. I'm already reading about 250 degrees inside of my little oven. Should probably get the ham started. It's hot. You hear that sizzle? Let her rip, guys. Let's get a little of this dill ready for my carrots. Another one of my little packets, got a little knob of butter for the carrots. Get that in there and get it started melting. Get some of my dill in there. Pepper. Salt. Let's see, what else do I need to do? Deviled eggs. Right. Oh yeah. Doing good, fellas. That's right. Start having some accidents we could avoid. I'm going to start off with one packet of this Subway mayo. Squeeze of Dijon, black pepper, salt, a little Tabasco sauce. Make things hot today. Alright, let's just start mashing. It's like a little pastry bag. Just gonna make myself a little pipette hole. Let's take a little of this leftover dill. Make them look nice. Alright guys, I've been down here cooking for about an hour. A little light on this guy for you. So we got our macaroni and cheese flop. Roasted asparagus looking pretty good. Our dill carrots are looking pretty good. Not mad at the deviled eggs. Would like to have smashed on them a little more. They're a little rustic. And then we got our grilled ham. Let's fix up a plate. In honor of Easter, we're going to use a fossils plate because Jesus fed the masses with fish and bread. That's the closest I got. I got fish. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Got our Easter dinner at camp. I'm ready to dig in. Can y'all still see me? Let's see what we got here. Carrots and asparagus cooked up nicely. I wouldn't take that macaroni and cheese home. But it'll eat in a pinch in the woods. We're going to do that guy over. Deviled egg works. That's pretty good. I'm just going to pick this guy up and grab a bite. My battery's about to die. Alright, y'all, there's your Easter dinner. Just because you're out in the woods doesn't mean we can't celebrate. We'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, I'm back home cleaning up from the epic Canteen Cup Tuesday I just did. Now, I forgot to tell you about the people I'm collaborating with. We've got a group of us making videos. Check them out, see what they're cooking, get some ideas. So look down in the description below. Can you see my hand? I don't know if you can. Look down there, down below in the description. I got some links for these channels. You got M and the Gang, Happy Trails Hiking, Scout for Life, Gaia's Pupil, Handy Camper, Kurt Zitzerman, Jungle J Adventures, and Flying Squirrel Outdoors. Going along with me, Journey a Bear. I'm making these Canteen Cup Tuesday videos this week. Check them out and see what they're cooking. Got some leftover charcoal to put away.